Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are all doing great. Actually, it's Friday today, and the weather is so good. And I got up around 8 o'clock and I finished everything. It's almost 11 o'clock now, and I finished cleaning the house. I finished my laundry, and it's still in the washing machine. I still have to put it out and have to have my coffee and my breakfast. And planning to take you guys somewhere. Where? Because I'm planning to take you guys to a beautiful place, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. And so please stay with me and continue to watch the video till the end, and you're gonna have lots of fun today, and I'm sure you will enjoy this video because it's a nature place again. It's beautiful. I just always love to go to this place, and I'm sure you're gonna love it too. So please stay with me and continue to watch the video. Alright, if you like my videos, please do not forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to them, and give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. And alright then, I'll see you guys later on, and you guys stay with me. I'll see you guys later. Bye. So hi guys, I'm here. This place is called Perouse. Look at the beautiful view. Now there is a bridge over there. I'm gonna go there now. place I was talking about. This is one of my favorite places. So this place is called Perouse. मैं इत्थे आना हमेशा बहुत लाइक करती हूँ. So the people on the back, they are just looking at the fish, and other people are just having fun and chilling out. I just love this place. It's so good and relaxing, and I love the sound of the water, sound of the sea. It's amazing. Especially in the summer season when you come here. So it feels so good and relaxing because now it's a little bit of my goodness. I think I should go now. It's coming closer. Okay, I will go now, go back on the top because the waves are very high and they are coming towards me, and I don't want to get wet in this winter. So I'll go back now. Go up there on the bridge on the other side. So guys, if you ever come to Sydney, make sure you come to this place. It's a beautiful place. I always like spending time here. Especially in the summer season, we like to come here for picnics, and because there is a picnic area over there too, and also the beach if you want to have him go in the water. But at the moment it's winter, so we are not going to go there. ब्यूटीफुल व्यू कितना सोहना प्यारा व्यू है मेरा जान नूं भी नहीं मन कर रहा बट वी हैव टू गो एंड वी आर a bit hungry now and we're gonna find a spot to eat now and find a restaurant or take away whatever and then see what we're gonna do. चलो हुण मैं तुहानूं थोड़ा जिहा इत्थे दा थोड़ा जिहा होर साइड दूसरी साइड भी दिखानी है कि कित्थे बीच है एंड कित्थे रेस्टोरेंट एरियाज है. So I'm gonna take you over there to the beach area. I'm not gonna go in the beach area because it's sandy and I'm not wearing appropriate clothes for beach, and I'll just show you from out and yeah, that's it. I think then we will go and eat something. I'm feeling really hungry now. All right, okay, bye. Okay, everyone, we are done with the beach now, and now we are going back. And we are really hungry, so we need to find a restaurant or a takeaway shop or whatever we can find. And we are in the tunnel right now.